I'm fully convinced that every appliance manufacturer intentionally designs their knobs to fail. My stove is less than 5 years old, but I've been living with broken knobs for the past 2 years. Stick around and I'll show you how to permanently fix your knobs using stuff you likely have in your junk drawer. Install the metal retainer if it's not already in the knob. If you can't find it, go take a look at the valve that the knob came off of. Place a ring of superglue around the knob shaft. Using plain old thread, make 20 to 30 wraps around the shaft, allowing the glue to wick into the thread. Once you've got your wraps, cut the tag ends and stick them down. Make sure all the thread wraps have soaked up the glue. If you missed any spots, now's the time to put a little more glue on there. When you're ready, put the knob aside for 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Now go put the knob back on and give it a try. Congratulations, you just fixed something. Now go make yourself a drink.